Hello everyone, I'm back. Today I'm cooking with Spekko Basmati rice and I'm making a lentil rice. We're going to serve it with some roasted chicken. Let's begin. I got about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in my pan. I'm going to add a whopping teaspoon of fennel seeds, a teaspoon of crushed chilli, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay, I'm going to add 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, 4 cardamom pods, and 1 star anise. I'm going to add 2 shallots, just thinly sliced. We're going to give this a stir. Now we're going to add 1.5 cups of basmati rice and half a cup of lentils. They are uncooked. We're going to fry with, look at that. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic and some chilli, green chilli. Teaspoon of salt to your taste. I'll just give this a fry. My heat is on medium. And let this fry for a few minutes, okay? Okay, now I'm going to add a nice fat knob of butter. I've put my heat on low. And now we're going to add 4 cups of water mixed with some beef stock. About a cup of beef stock and water. Okay, throw it in. Okay, now we're going to put on the lid and let this cook. Okay guys, 20 minutes later and it's done. My lentil rice, and now we're going to dish up and we're going to show you what it looks like. Yummy in my tummy. Okay guys, look there guys, the lentil, spicy lentil rice, and we just put some chicken in the oven and basted it with some sauce. And now we're dishing up. We're going to put the chicken, yummy in my tummy, and that's the rice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did making it, and we'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone, love you guys.